Before you begin, be sure that you have all of the parts required to install your device. Always disconnect power at the service panel before beginning work. Once you turn off the power at the breaker, you can begin removing your old outlet. Begin by unscrewing the wall plate from the wall. Next, unscrew your old device from the wall box, which should leave it only connected to the wall box by the wires. Before removing the wires from the device, make sure to label the wires. There are 3 types of wires you will need to determine: hot, which is generally black, neutral, which is generally white, and the ground wire, which is generally bare. Once all wires are labeled, remove them from the device, either by unscrewing the terminal screws and pulling the wires out, or by clipping the wires off with wire cutters. If needed, strip wires to the appropriate length, which can be determined by consulting the wire stripping gauge on the back of your Adorn outlet. Attach the ground wire on the frame to the ground wire in the wall box. Connect the wires to the device by screwing the wires into their appropriate terminals. If you have one hot wire and one neutral wire, attach the hot wire to one of the hot terminals, and the neutral wire to the neutral terminal labeled white. If you have 2 hot wires and 2 neutral, attach both neutral wires to the neutral terminal group labeled white, and 1 hot wire to each hot terminal group, leaving 1 empty hot terminal next to a wired hot terminal. If you are installing a manual outlet that can be turned on and off, there is only 1 hot terminal grouping, and you should attach both hot wires to the same group, side by side. Snap your device into the metal frame. You should hear a significant snap. If you are installing more than one device in a multi-gang configuration, you should wire all devices before you snap them into place. If you must remove your device from the frame, you must remove the frame from the wall by unscrewing it. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to depress the 3 snaps and push the device out of the front of the frame. Snap your Adorn wall plate onto the metal frame, making sure to push on the top, bottom, and both sides. Congratulations! Your Adorn tamper-resistant outlet is installed.